Question number 1.
She not at work yesterday. A is B, was C, wasn't.
Question number 2.
They playing soccer now. A is B, are C, AME.
Question number 3.
I very hungry. A, M, B, R, C, is.
Question number 4.
The kids running outside. A runs, B ran, C are running.
Question number 5.
He coffee every morning. A, drink, B, drinks, C, drinking.
Question number 6.
We to the park yesterday. A went B, go C, going.
Question number 7.
The teacher absent on Monday. A is B, was C, wasn't.
Question number 8.
My mother cooking dinner. A, MB is C, RE.
Question number 9.
They good friends. AERB is CM.
Question number 10.
He to the store yesterday. A, go B, goes C, went.
Question number 11.
She reading a book now. A, M, B is C, R.
Question number 12.
We in New York last year. A, lived, B, lives, C, live too.
Question number 13.
The sun in the east. A, rise, B, rises, C, rising.
Question number 14.
He does his homework daily. A, do B, does C, did.
Question number 15.
They had school yesterday. A where B was C, R.
Question number 16.
The baby crying loudly. A, MB is CR.
Question number 17.
She a new bag last week. A buy B bought C buys.
Question number 18.
We not eat junk food. A do B does C did.
Question number 19.
He in the park now. A M B R C is.
Question number 20.
They were watching a movie last night. A watch B were watching C watches.
Question number 21.
She my cousin. A R B is C Amphi.
Question number 22.
The dog barking loudly. A bark B barks C is barking.
Question number 23.
We best friends since 2010. A has been B have been C had been.
Question number 24.
He not like milk. A does B do C did.
Question number 25.
The kids in the yard, A, M, B, or C is.
Question number 26.
I studying grammar now. A, M, B is C, R.
Question number 27.
They gone home already. A had B, has C, have.
Question number 28.
She's singing beautifully. A, M, B is C, R.
Question number 29.
We already finished the project. A have B, has C, had.
Question number 30.
He played basketball yesterday.
Question number 31.
She late for class. A or B is C was.
Question number 32.
The students studying now. A is B, are C and D.
Question number 33.
He my neighbor. A is B, are C am.
Question number 34.
They going shopping. A goes, B went, C are going.
Question number 35.
The teacher very strict. A was B, is C, are.
Question number 36.
We at the mall yesterday. A were B was C, are.
Question number 37.
The weather cold yesterday. A are B is C was.
Question number 38.
She already completed her work. A have B has C had.
Question number 39.
They studying when I visited. A was B were C are.
Question number 40.
The baby sleeping now. A am B is C are.
Question number 41.
I very tired today. A and am B are C is.
Question number 42.
He goes to the gym daily. A goes B went C is going.
Question number 43.
She was absent yesterday.
Question number 44.
They waiting for the bus. A is B are C am A.
Question number 45.
The boy very smart. A is B are C am.
Question number 46.
The dog barking now. A was B where C is.
Question number 47.
The children playing outside. A am B are C is.
Question number 48.
She not write the essay. A, did B, do C, does.
Question number 49.
They gone to the movies. A, have B, has C, had.
Question number 50.
He's studying in his room. A is B. R, C, M.